Fasten your seatbelts. Here we go.
We begin with the fourth runner-up, Ocean Jemmy Rose.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
Everybody up off your feet. Let's go. Let's give her a big round of applause. Come on, everybody up. Let's take the right. Let's give her a standing ovation. Amelia Tu is our new Miss Universe Canada 2022.
Huge congratulations, Amelia. You are going to be an extraordinary representative of our country at the upcoming Miss Universe pageant, and we wish you all the best during your reign.
Thank you to all our distinguished panel of judges, to our sponsors, to the parents, and to all of you for being here tonight in this memorable occasion. On behalf of the Miss Universe Canada organization, my co-host, Chelsea DeRoche, our reigning Miss